Oh, hi. Uh-oh. She's trying to communicate.
Yeah, she's saying, I'm hungry.
When's her feeding time? 9?
O'clock.
Ooh.
15 excruciating minutes.
Oh.
15 excruciating minutes. Until pure bliss.
Hello.
She'll take your hand and she'll try to crush it.
Oh, that's good.
Yes, she'll
That's
crush
good
it.
that she has a good grip. Oh, good.
No. She's wide awake, huh?
Oh, yeah. She's expecting something.
Oh, I know. Ready? We can sing our song again. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Look at her finger. Oh, another little finger. Yeah.
Looks like 2 holes on it. Yeah, she said that.
She's like, I will not go to sleep. I will not go to sleep. I am.
She will as soon as she gets fed.
Oh no, and then she gets her second wind. So then
really?
until she gets her second meal, which is around 11, and then it hits her stomach around 11:20.
When does the drip feed hit her stomach?
It starts at 11,
Oh.
and then it starts to hit her stomach around 11:20. That's why last night we were here till 11:30. Oh, you were like, I've got my second wind for cutie. Yeah.
She's like, maybe we should put some coffee in her.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Little smile. She's like, okay, if I look cute, I get food. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute I am. Yeah, huh?
8 more minutes. Ooh.
Yeah.
You know, in baby time, that's about a day.
I know. Oh, and mommy giving baby food time, it's about a day. I want to give her food too. Yes, I know.
You know me?
Hi. Hi, honey. Hi.
She says, what was that? What was that?
It's the tube in her nose makes it
Oh.
sound a little stuffy sometimes. Oh, no, we don't do that. Oh, honey.
She says, I can fix that tube, Mom.
Yeah, you can. You fix it lots of times. Give some of the other kids ideas about ripping out there.
Just close my eyes, open my mouth, and she puts that empty bottle in my mouth. She says, I'm sucking, nothing's coming out, Mom.
Oh, she knows. She knows.
She hears that other baby talking.
Huh. Can't get the burp out of you. You're gonna start fussing a little bit, huh?
That's called acting things that she's...
No. What are you doing? Hmm? Let's get this out of the way. Oh.
Aren't you supposed to throw them over the shoulder and then just start like...
Yeah. And they said that doesn't... Oh, come here. Come on.
She's trying to get out there. Hey, oh boy, she's working those neck muscles. Wow, throwing that head around there. Here we go.
Yeah, wonder where you get the ham from. That's from Mommy.
Hey.
You're definitely not camera shy.
Oh, no. Uh-oh. What's that blinking thing mean? I guess it means the battery is... I didn't... I usually have a spare battery and I didn't bring it today. Oh, well. It will all go black soon. Whoa! Look at her move her head, though.
Yeah, they're trying to work on her front. She's good on the back, but she doesn't have the control for the front. So they're trying to give her more belly time because she can do it back, but when she goes forward, she kind of bobbles it too much forward. See?
Yeah. All right, well, keep
Working those muscles, sweetie.
Yeah. That's muscle's way more than fat anyway, so
Yeah, just get
that's
this
it. We
muscle.
need to get the muscle tone up there.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You doing the bobblehead?
Oh yeah, these guys are real excited.
These guys are amateurs.
Oh,
What's that? See, you know that's Grandpa because you got the camera.
the dreaded hiccups. Oop.
You need tummy time with me.
Oop, oop, oop. No, it's probably better that she be up after she eats, right?
Yeah.
Instead of being on her stomach, or on her back.
Yeah. Look, I gotta lean back. How far can Daddy lean back? Give you some tummy time.
You like this one?